In this SEO course video, today we will learn that what is a canonical tag and what is this issue. And friends, what are the problems you might face from this issue? It's important to understand why it's necessary and how can you be able to resolve canonical issues. And you can make your website SEO friendly. So friends, this is a very important topic in SEO. Learn it thoroughly. Since this is practical and theoretical combined, and additionally, you can also learn digital technical courses related to this course all for free. So subscribe to the channel as we keep adding new courses so that your learning continues. Friends, an important information for you all that Marketing Funda has brought. The world's easiest and instant money making affiliate program for you all, named as Money Funda. There are links and numbers in the description for you. Follow them to get information and start your income today. Let's go and learn. Call us at the numbers for digital marketing services, training and consultancy, or visit our website.
So hello everyone. In this particular video, we will be talking about canonical errors. What is a canonical error and how to fix it? We will delve and explore the proper uses of the canonical tag and where to use it. So first, let's understand that what a canonical error is and what it means. So guys, let's estimate that if ever the URL of your website, or suppose the page or the home page or any page, and if the same page is opening on multiple URLs, then in that case, what does Google consider it as? It is considered as canonical issue or canonical error. So we have to fix that. So first of all, let's understand how many types of canonical errors there are. So here, let's understand that how this canonical error looks like. So guys, in this case, what is the URL of a website? It is https://www. Whatever your domain name is, like ours is Marketing Fundas. So marketingfundas.com, right? So here, if in your website, you are getting like https:// without www. In the URL showing here, direct Marketing Fundas, and it's opening here on marketingfundas.com. So this is canonical error. It means that if the website is opening on different URLs, including without s, including www without s. So what is that? It's an error. And which one? It is a canonical error, and we have to fix and resolve this error, right? So firstly, let us try to understand what these errors typically are and what causes them. Okay, so here is HTTP. And this time here, this URL will be without www and without s. So here we have removed www and s. And now we directly type marketingfundas.com here in this place as the URL.com. Look, if you are trying to open your website and after that, your website is opening on this URL, then it means that your website does not have any canonical error. Now, if you try to open this website, then the same website is open to you on the same URL. So it is a canonical error. If you try to open the website with this, that means without s and with www, then the same website is opening on a different URL. What is it? It's an error. And next time, what do you try? That without s and without www if you are trying, and in that case also the same website is opening for you, but the URL does not contain s or www, then it's a canonical error. Therefore, we will first proceed to open our website and test for any canonical error and find out if our website opens on 4 different URLs. Here we have our marketingfundas.com. First, we copy it. We apply Ctrl+Shift+N and do Ctrl+V to paste. Now here you can see in the private window that it shows S is present here and www is also present here, as you can see here. Okay. Here S is included and www is included. So here we entered in the page and our Marketing Fundas website opened. And again, we apply Ctrl+L. So what is mentioned in Ctrl+L? S and www. Right now we paste the same URL, and this time what we do is remove the S from here. Okay, and then we hit enter and then we check. After hitting enter, we press Ctrl+L. Then as you can see, the S is present here in the URL and there are no errors with the URL, right? Then again, we proceed to do Ctrl+T and Ctrl+V and then remove www here. Okay. After removing www, what do we do here in this place? Enter, and then we check. www is here again. Let's test the last URL in which we won't have www and nor be this S there. Okay. So if your website is opening on this situation as well, that means it is not an error here. Look, we tried all the different URLs and we tried one URL without S in it, and one we tried without www, and we tried one without S and without www, right? In all the conditions, the same URL is opening, which means that there is no canonical issue on the website as such. Why? Because if you go to its page source, you will find canonical tag here. You will see it, like if you press Ctrl F and type canonical here in the search, then after searching, you can find canonical tag here. It will be written. Okay, see here, you can find a canonical tag here on this page, right? This is the canonical tag. Okay, so this canonical tag can be found here. You can check, right? You have to press Ctrl F and here you have to search. Type canonical, right? Here is canonical tag. Guys, it is important to have the canonical tag on every page so that your website opens on this page only, right? Which means you don't have any error of having or not having S here. It should have S and also www. They should be present. So we did this. So now in this case, this thing that you can see here, you have to put this particular thing on every page, right? How will we do that? For this, we press Ctrl T, right? And here we have the websites dashboard opened for us. Okay. Let's say we have a page and we have to add canonical tag here. So how do we do it? So simply refer to this here of any post page or any home page or anything here. So in that we have an option in SEO optimization, like this is our front page. We edit this, and in the Yoast SEO, you find an option in the advanced features, which is canonical tag. So we have to put that canonical tag there itself. If you scroll down, you'll see the advanced options, which are located at the bottom of the page. And here what we have to do, you have to paste the canonical URL here. Now, how will you find the canonical URL? So guys, if you want, you can visit our website Marketing Fundas, and here is our canonical tag, right? You can see this here, you can note it, and you will find this in the description box as well. From here, you can simply replace this URL with the URL of your website and add this tag on every page of your website, right? Then Google will consider your website with www and with S in the URL. So that will not be counted as an error for you, right? And you need to copy this in this way for your pages, right? And paste them in your pages and then apply the changes. And after that, it will fix your canonical issues. So guys, this is how you can fix your canonical error in your page. Guys, that's all for this video. We will be covering more such interesting topics in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much.
I hope you liked this video and learned a lot from it. You can tell me in the comment section. So friends, if you want to get digital marketing training or digital marketing services, you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us at the given number. Friends, Marketing Fundas is bringing the world's easiest affiliate program, and you can start earning instantly with this program. Link is in the description. Contact us for information. Thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.